Hi there guys, welcome to the video. Thank you very much for tuning in. And this monstrosity is the Catalyst Machineworks WHOOPMASTER 4-inch. Yeah, and it has two full-size GoPros on it. Yeah, and for good measure, it has an 1800 mAh 6S LiPo from CNHL 100C. Today we're going to test fly it, and I haven't thrown it yet, so we'll see. And I want to know how long it flies for. Okay, that drone, the WHOOPMASTER 4, has all the electronics that Catalyst Machineworks sells with it. So an Acorn stack, Acorn electronic stack, T-motor motors, and the DJI setup and crossfire. And I'll be flying it with this here radio. You haven't seen that on my channel yet. I got it brand new. This is the RadioMaster TX2S Mark II Pro Extra, the most expensive version. Okay, not too proud, but this is the most expensive. Okay, so that's the setup. Let's fly. Here we go.
You serious?
All right, guys, here we go. Lift off of the WHOOPMASTER 4. And we are up and away. And just in case you thought that this was a stealthy drone, you already know better, right? This is a incredibly noisy drone, which was to be expected is 1100 milligrams. What? 1100 milligrams? 1100 grams. Two GoPros on it, so that is going to make some noise. But okay, so this is actually my first real flight with it. I've done the hover test with it, right, as you know. So I am assessing the tune a little bit, and you tell me in the comment section below. Pretty good. I don't see anything that's out of order, really. It is enormously noisy. Hot damn! Let's fly around ourselves to listen to that orchestra of sound with this drone. While I have some kind of insect on my arm. God damn it. Okay. Hot damn, man, this is super duper noisy. Maybe that's okay. I didn't get me this drone to have a silent, stealthy quadcopter. People will definitely know you're on their trajectory. Or the other way around. Okay, so it flies pretty nicely. Also, I must admit I'm a little bit nervous. This is a lot of money and a lot of weight. I definitely don't want to crash it. But also, I want this flight duration test to be reasonable. I don't want to just hover it. Okay, so I've already tested this now twice. Descents. Ascent is probably easy with the drone, like, yeah, but descents are always a challenge with these whoops. And it's almost even better. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, so we are now 3 minutes in. I was hoping for 4 minutes, and I'm now at 21.6 volts. Yeah. And yeah, this hasn't been a freestyle flight. Is this a freestyle quadcopter? Nope, it isn't. It is noisy though. Hot damn, man. Yeah, I'm hoping to get to 4 minutes. at this, with this kind of flying, at this pace. Not bad at all so far. I am very happy it flies at least reasonably well. I can't see anything that I need to change in tuning. That's weird. That's really weird. Okay, I am now at the end of my LiPo. Yeah, I'm at 21 volts and Betaflight is starting to complain. But we are also at 4 minutes, so I could definitely stretch it a little bit. Right, we're now approximately at storage voltage. But let's bring it in, enough. Okay, my LiPo's voltage suddenly dropped and it's now recovering. Okay guys, so 4 minutes it is, right? So, and motors, the motors are warm. Yeah, the motors are pretty warm. Yeah, the LiPo is warm but not hot. So what are these? The mini stars from CNHL. Good LiPos, and not the cheapest LiPos. And but 1800 milliamp. I also have a 2000 milliamp hour LiPo for this quad, but 1800 looks to be right, as the quad flew very nicely like this. So success, it flies well, and yeah, I'll be flying it a lot more in the coming weeks. Then I'll come back to you with a review of this WHOOPMASTER 4 from Machineworks. For now, I want to thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.